Hello friends, this is Murtuza here. In this video, I want to cover a very important topic which I normally see that my subscribers and coaching clients make a big mistake out of it. And it is extremely important that you understand this concept very well before you make this mistake in your online business. Let's get started. When I see my subscribers, that they select a particular niche that they wish to focus, and when I evaluate their niche, I see a lots of mistakes within it. What kind of mistakes they make is that they select a broad niche when they get started. Okay, and they do this probably because they feel that if they select a broad niche, they have huge amount of demand as well as searches every month, so this will give them more traffic and more business. But the truth of the matter is that if you select a broad topic, there are two major drawbacks. The first drawback is that it is really difficult to rank well, by selecting such a broad topic. And the second problem is that your conversions will drop to a tremendous extent. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let's say that you are you are targeting a skincare niche. So the broad concept that you are trying to focus is a skincare. Okay, now imagine a psychology of a person who is trying to search for the term skincare in Google. Okay, what I personally feel is that the person who is searching for skincare in Google himself does not know what kind of problem or what kind of solution that person wants, because a person searching for the term skincare can have various problems. The person might be looking to have a fair glow, in their skin. The person might be looking for some makeup products probably, or probably the person might be having some skin related problems, and he or she is looking for some solution. Probably that person is having an acne problem, or probably the person is having wrinkles. So there are hundreds of possibilities. If the person is looking for, when he or she is typing for the term skincare, so if you target this term skincare to get top rankings, so it will be difficult for you to rank on page one for skincare, because there are top level people. There are very, you will be facing really high competition to focus in getting top ranking for such a term. And the second problem is that even if you get to the page one, your conversions will not be good, because you will not know specifically what type of landing page you must create to target these kind of audience, because the person himself is not sure what he or she is looking for. So when that person arrives on your website and even you are not sure what that person is looking for, the conversions will drop significantly. So what is the solution? The solution is to target a narrow niche, a small niche of audience. So what you should be doing to do, so again, let me give you an example. So let's say you are targeting skincare niche, and let's say that you create a site only targeting people who have acne problems. So you have a site relating to acne, and now you're focusing on keywords only relating to acne. Now imagine the psychology of a person searching for acne in Google. That person specifically knows that he or she has acne related problems, and they want a solution relating to an acne problem, and they'll be willing to spend money and purchase some training course, some treatments, anything related to acne. So the conversions will also be high. And it will be easier to rank better for terms like acne, because it is a smaller niche, a smaller group of focus, and the competition will not be extremely huge as compared to the skincare term. So what you have to do is focus on a narrow niche. Now you can even go much more narrow, like acne rosacea. Acne rosacea is a sub niche of acne keyword, acne term. So there's a group of people who have acne rosacea, and acne rosacea is something like a severe acne related problem. I guess it's called acne rosacea. So if you have a site relating to acne rosacea, you will be targeting even a smaller group of people, but the conversions will be tremendously high if you get such people to your website. as well as it will be easier for you to rank in Google and other search engines, for this type of keyword. So the only reason I know about all this is because I had an offline client for whom I had created a skincare website, and all this acne and acne rosacea types of articles and everything I had published for this client. So I know this market a little bit. Okay, so I want to end this video by telling you that focus in a narrow niche, don't go for a broad niche. Okay, when you do this, you get better conversions and it will be easier for you to get traffic. Okay, and to get more training and valuable information similar to this one, okay, make sure you visit my website at howistartinternetbusiness.com/plan. Okay, I'll just repeat the spelling. It's www.how I start start internet 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 business business.com/plan plan, and subscribe out there, and I will give you a free report and a process map, and several videos that will show you step by step how I created a website that ended up making me 6,000 leads, as well as I have derived around 24,000 visitors from that website, and it made me close to $30,000. And I'll show you the exact 23-step plan that I have personally used to create my website, and what I did to get all these results. And it's all free for you, so make sure you subscribe at my website, visit there, and I'll see you at the other end. Wish you all the very best and success.